In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export prototype from Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your prototype's interactions and export them as a shareable file. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the prototype interactions you want to show are already set up and working as expected. With your design open, right-click anywhere on the canvas. From the menu that appears, go to Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. In the search field, look for a plugin like Export to GIF or Video, and run it directly from there. This kind of plugin is designed to record your prototype interactions and turn them into a file you can easily share. Once the plugin window opens, select the frame you want to capture. It's best to choose the frame that represents the starting point of your prototype flow, so the recording tells a clear story from the first interaction. Most export plugins will show a preview or a list of frames. Simply highlight the one you need before moving on. Next, choose your export format. You can typically pick between GIF and MP4. Keep in mind that MP4 is often a pro feature within these plugins. If you are on a free plan, you may be limited to GIF exports, and the resolution might be capped. GIFs are great for quick previews, messaging apps, and documentation, while MP4 is ideal if you need smoother playback, better compression, and compatibility with most video players. Now adjust the frames per second econ or FPS. A higher FPS will look smoother, which is helpful for complex microphase interactions and transitions, but it will also increase the file size. For most interface demos, a moderate FPS setting strikes a good balance between smooth motion and manageable file weight. If your prototype is simple or you are targeting lightweight sharing, a slightly lower FPS can work well. When your frame, format, and FPS are set, save the file directly from the plugin. Choose a clear file name and a destination you'll remember. After saving, give the export a quick playthrough to confirm everything captured correctly. If something looks off, maybe the motion feels too fast, or the file is larger than you'd like, reopen the plugin. Tweak the FPS or format and export again until you are happy with the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.